Lean tools and techniques, high level. 5S is the first step to creating a lean workplace. It's more than just cleaning. It's about organizing the workspace so everything has a place, and everything is in its place, always. A clean, organized space improves speed, safety, and pride in work. Kaizen is about making things better, every day, not through big projects, but through small ideas from the people closest to the work. It teaches everyone that their input matters and that change doesn't have to be expensive or complex. Standard work is like a playbook. It ensures that no matter who is doing the task, it's done the best way every time. It reduces variation, increases quality, and helps us train new team members faster. Visual management helps people understand the process at a glance. No need for meetings or long explanations. If something's wrong, the system tells you visually. It makes work simple, fast, and clear. Value stream mapping is like a health checkup for your process. It helps you diagnose where you are losing time, quality, or value. Then it gives you a plan to fix it. Takt Time sets the rhythm for production. Andon gives voice to the workers when something goes wrong. And Kanban ensures we only do what's needed. No more, no less. Together, these tools make lean operations highly efficient.